Let's learn about the different professions. Screwdriver. Hammer. Rasp. Wrench. Mechanic. Pills. Thermometer. Syringe. Phenendoscope. Doctor. Razors.
Yeah!
Hair clip.
Yeah!
Hairbrush.
Yeah!
Scissors. Hairdresser. Spatula.
Yeah!
Pan.
Yeah!
Cap.
Yeah!
Scoop. Cook. Scissors. Meter measure. Thread. Ribbon. Tailor. Notebook. Pointer. Globe. Book. Teacher. Apron.
Ha ha ha!
Beret.
Ha ha ha!
Palette.
Ha ha ha!
Paintbrush. Painter. Gun. Cap. Handcuffs. Walkie-talkie.
7825, code 6, 105 North Avenue, 52.
Policeman. Bucket. Helmet. Pick hammer. Trowel. Builder. Axe.
Yeah!
Helmet.
Yeah!
Fire extinguisher.
Yeah!
Hose. Firefighter. Oh no, the tools are all mixed up. Can you tell which tool belongs to who? Bucket. Razors.
Yeah!
Helmet. Hair clip.
Yeah!
Pick hammer. Trowel. Hairbrush.
Yeah!
Scissors.
Yeah!
Very good. Apron.
Ha ha ha!
Scissors. Beret.
Ha ha ha!
Meter measure. Thread. Palette.
Ha ha ha!
Paintbrush.
Ha ha ha!
Ribbon. Great job. Screwdriver. Hammer. Gun. Rasp. Wrench. Cap. Handcuffs. Walkie-talkie. Fantastic. Notebook. Pills. Thermometer. Pointer. Syringe. Globe. Book. Phenendoscope. Great job. Someone took the wrong tool. Can you tell who it is? Wonderful. Fantastic. Incredible. Can you show everyone to their workspace? Doctor. Wonderful. Tailor. Incredible. Hairdresser. Fantastic. Policeman.
7825, code 6, 105 North Avenue, 52.
Great job. Builder. Fantastic. Firefighter. Incredible. Cook. Wonderful. Painter. Incredible. Mechanic. Fantastic. Teacher. Very good. Took the wrong tool. Can you tell who it is? Great job. Wonderful. Incredible. Very good. Great job.
Yeah!
Very good.
Yeah.
Incredible. Very good. Great job. Very good. Wonderful. Oh no, the tools are all mixed up. Can you tell which tool belongs to who? Screwdriver. Hammer.